Hello everybody, welcome back in another video. It's me Max coming up for the next video. This time I would like to show you a very cool agent in the market called ACBuy. It's one of the newest agents in the market that allows you to buy such quality items like these Jordan 4s, and their shipping prices are absolutely amazing. Let me show you real quick how it works and let's actually purchase some items on this website. So this is how it all looks like, guys, for the first time when you log in into the ACBuy. The ACBuy.com, this is how the website is called. I'm successfully logged in. You have the link down in the description, please use that to sign up. And as you can see, this is how it all works. We've got the ACBuy search bar here, so let's just put in some links. Links you have down in the description as well, or you can actually go into my website called CNY Finds, where you can find loads of different links. Let's say I want to purchase some shoes, and let's just pick some. Let's copy this wait-on link, which is the initial link, and let's just enter this thing to the ACBuy website. And this is how it all looks like, guys. As you can see, you have the golden goose here, so let's just select the size and let's just purchase them. You can see everything, how it all looks like. You've got the parameters and everything. You've got some additional photos here, and you simply can click on the buy now option. Now I'm going to actually purchase this jacket, rain jacket, so let's select the color and the size, and let's click on this version and let's purchase this thing. So let's click on buy now, and as you can see, this is how it all looks like. The shipping fee is $1.5 and that's okay. Let's just select I have agreed and read this. Just select I have read and agreed, and let's submit it. And as you can see, it's now submitted. Now we can pay using the wallet if you have some money left on the wallet. If you don't actually have anything left on the wallet, you can actually use the credit card to top up your balance, or you can actually use the Pix. Let's check out now, let's do it. Here you have to confirm your payment password, so let's quickly set it up. Let's put in the code, and yeah, we can now check out. So let's put in the password once again, and it's paid. Here, as you can see, you also have some messages whenever the action is done, like the password change or whatever. Here in the personal center, you also get the information about yourself. Here you've got account settings, here you've got the wallet and the shopping cart, orders, warehouse. And then when the products come to the warehouse, you've got the QC pictures with high quality ones. I will show you just as this jacket comes to the warehouse, I will show you everything. And then you can submit the international parcel here in the parcel tab. If you want, you can actually go and inquiry something. If you want to, for example, do the DIY order, you can inquire this by contacting the people here. And yeah, that's how it all works. Like shipping fee, let's say the destination is Germany and the weight is 1 kilogram. Item category, let's say cloths, clothing, international brands, 30, 50. And let's check this thing now. As you can see, we've got the DHL for $90.50, which is not bad. It's very cheap actually. Quite a nice option to send a package. I always recommend you guys to use the DHL. Not only it's the fastest, but it's also actually the cheapest and the safest option here. So yeah, the DHL is the best one. It comes down to the basic freight of $85 and the $5 of operation fee. So that's how it all looks like. Here is also the button for the DIY orders if you want to do such an order. And yeah, if you have some problems, no worries about that. There's this cute book. And if you are just really struggling, simply ask me, I will answer you. That's it, guys. We purchased the first item on our ACBuy website. I'm going to record another video once the package comes to the warehouse. Once we actually get a QC pictures on how it all looks like, I will update you guys on it. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, just simply ask me and I will answer you. And yeah, just stay tuned for more content. We'll see how this package comes to the warehouse and how it all looks like. I'm so excited, and see you in the next video. Bye!